My grandma couldn't stand being tired anymore until I made this and she felt renewed. Hit the like button already, then leave your comments on this recipe. Start by peeling 2 large carrots. Then chop these carrots into thin round slices just like this. Once you've done that, transfer all the carrot slices to a blender. Add 500 milliliters of cold water. Turn on the blender to maximum speed and blend until the carrot slices have fully blended. When that happens, you can stop blending. Now transfer all this juice to a large bowl by passing it through a sieve. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. If necessary, use a spoon to squeeze out all the juice. And set aside. Now cut off the heads of 2 very ripe bananas and peel them. I'm using Cavendish bananas, but you can use any other type of your choice. Next, cut these bananas into thin round slices. Then transfer them to the blender. Add the carrot juice and 2 cups of cold milk containing 240 milliliters each. Now turn on the blender and let it all blend for 1 minute or until combined. If you made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right consistency. You may now stop blending and serve with some ice cubes. That recipe is ready. You may now get a glass and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.